Okay, good morning. Good morning. May God bless all of you. Today we are going to design here something very, very, very beautiful for University of UNISA. Okay, uh, we I have this picture here. Okay, this picture here. Let me just zoom out this couple here. All right, we have. We have them this side so that we can go to our tutorial of today. Great, wonderful. Then we are going to uh, bring this image. Then we are gonna put this one here. It has a background. That one is called University of UNISA. University of UNISA. That is the image we have that we are gonna also put for the University of UNISA, right? Great. Then I'm going to bring this. Uh, then this one is their logo. This one, their logo. Okay. So what we are going to do here, I have here my page. So this page here, I'm gonna change. I'm gonna put here in pixel. Here's in millimeter. I'm gonna say pixel. I'm gonna go to the pixel. Great. Then I'm gonna say 1008 by 1008 here. Then I change the shaping of my page where I'm gonna work here, right? Wonderful. After I do that, I'm going to double click on this rectangle, on my rectangle tool. Here I'm gonna double click, then I'm gonna paint with that color, right? I'll paint with that color. So after I paint that color, I'm going to put my transparent like this. Then I'm going to change here to put an ellipse fountain transparent in that way, right? Then I'm going to bring this one up down here. I want my transparent to be like this. My transparent. Okay, then I'm going to say okay here, right? Then uh, I'm going to write this message on that background that I have. I'm gonna write this UNISA University. I'm gonna just write here UNISA University. Then I'm gonna put down 2021 registration open. Then I'm gonna put their website www.unisa.co.za. Okay, that's information that I want so far. I'm going to zoom out, then I'm gonna bring here up here. Okay, I'm going to paint that one in white color. Remember, CorelDRAW has got a lot of colors. You can even add more colors here. All right. Then here I'm gonna break. I'm gonna go to object. Then I'm gonna say break artists, or I can say Control K. I'll break like that. Then I can work on each here. Then that one I'm gonna choose a font. A font. I'm gonna use that font. That university. Okay. I'll bring here a little bit up. Well, usual when we design this, we put guiding lines. Okay, guiding line, we can use this one here, so that we use this one here, then we use this one here, and we also use that one. We cannot go over that line. We go object, then I say lock object, so that this thing here cannot move. Okay, I'm just going to work with this this part here. Okay, then here open, I'm gonna put here impact. I want it to be too much visible in that way. Impact. This one also, I'm gonna put it in impact because it's very important. Their website, the website of UNISA. Okay, then here I'm gonna paint this UNISA. Okay, I'm gonna go to their logo. I'll just get their logo here. This logo here, I'm gonna bring down here. I need a color, one of the color of their logo. So let me use my eyedropper. I'm gonna get this color here. Then I'm gonna paint this UNISA. This UNISA here. Okay. Let me just get my eyedropper. This color here, I'm gonna drop it to my palette column. Okay, then I'm going to I just need to use only that UNISA in that color there. The UNISA in that color. That's what I want. Okay, then we have, okay, that part, dub UNISA. Okay, after this, right, after this, I'm going to bring my picture. Now, this picture here, in case you can see this picture here, let me reduce this log of UNISA. I'll reduce it. This picture here, as you can see, I don't want these people to be like that, in that position. So what I'm gonna do, I'll just copy, and then I'll copy another one here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'll take this one here. I'm going to put my rectangle tool like this. Then I'm going to create intersection on this one here. Okay, intersection here. I'll click. Then I'll delete this one here. Let me delete this one. Then I have the guide there already. Okay, then here I'm going to do the same. I'm going to take this one, or I can trim. Okay, like that. Then I'm going to put together. Then I'm going to say trim. No, I don't want to trim the lady. I'm going to say intercess. Then I'm going to have that lady here. Okay. All right, then I'll delete this one. Now, the idea here is that I want this guy to be here and the lady to be here, to be different to that picture. You see this one here. This one, they look like this. Okay, if I click here, they'll change like that one. But the position is going to be different. So I don't want it this way. I want in this way here. Okay, I'll just take my shaping tool. I'll just bring this part here a little bit here, like that one. Okay, great. I'm gonna put them here together. Then I'm gonna group them. Control J, I'll group them. Then I'll zoom out. Then I'm gonna put on my page. I'm gonna put on my page like that. And I'm going to bring this so that we see, look how the design is coming. Okay, wonderful. Here, uh, here the contrast, because see, I'm using the background is a little bit, uh, it's a little bit white here. Okay, so let me click again on my, click again here, uh, on my object. I go to my object and I'm gonna unlock the object, unlock, so I can work on the background. Then I'm gonna put my transparent tool here again. I'll bring this one here. Yes, great. Then I'm gonna say okay. Okay, here can still maintain all of it in white. It does maintain it in white. We'll put like that. Then down here, what we are going to do here, we are going to put our rectangle tool again. I'm going to bring here the rectangle tool, put a little bit up this way. Okay, this one, I'll bring them down that way. Then I'm going to paint this one in that color. Then I'm going to take out my outline. All right. Then I'm going to say object convert to cave or control K. Then I'm gonna have the, then I'm gonna go to my shaping tool. Then I'm gonna click here in the middle. Then I'm gonna say to cave. Then I want to bring this part down a little bit here. This shaping like that. Okay. That shaping. Okay, then I'm going to click on this one here. I'm gonna put a little bit, then I'll double click on my right side of my mouse. Then I'm gonna bring this one down here. Then I'm gonna say control page down. I'm gonna have that one with the control page down. Then I'll bring this one up that way. Okay, then I'm gonna zoom it here. I'll zoom this one here. I'll just bring here this one like that. I'll bring it in on the page. Okay, then I have that shaping. All right, then after that, what I'm going to do, uh, I'm going to bring my backgrounds, my backgrounds. Okay, let I just view this one here. We're going to view again. Okay, so that's how it's coming. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. You can subscribe on this channel and you can just leave your like. Those who are watching this one from YouTube, just leave your like right now. Share this channel here with your friends because we are going to have a lot of tutorial and it's going to help many of you in order to use CorelDRAW graphic suite. Okay, then we are going to bring this background. This picture here, we don't need it. I just showing you how to separate, okay? We don't need that picture. So this one here, we're gonna bring this one. We are going to bring this way. We're gonna zoom. Then I'm gonna say control page down. Control page down. I'm gonna have that way. Then I'm going to put my transparent. Then I'm gonna say texture. This one. It's gonna be like that. Texture like that. Then I'll press I'll double click on my rectangle tool, then I'll click my picking tool, then I'll press shift, then I'm gonna go to intersection. After intersection, then I'm gonna delete the outline. Then I'm going to have that kind of background inside there. Okay, right. Then here I'm going to write, here I'm going to write online courses. Online courses. All right, so I'm going to put like that. Now, this online courses here, this let I can still put uh, my envelope tool here, my envelope tool, and I can just bring a little bit like that. My envelope tool. So the envelope tool uh, allows you to do a lot of changes. Let me show you now here envelope tool. You can, for example, do like this, your course, that one you can bring here like this. You can do like this. You see, you can do a lot of things with that with that tool there. So depending on what you want to design, okay, you can have got different shaping using that tool. Okay, then I'll delete this one here because that one we are not using. So we are using this one. Okay, then down here we are going to put the address of this place. We are going to say uh, 112 Marine Drive. Marine Drive, Mill Park, Port Elizabeth, 6,000. 6,000. Okay, then we are going to zoom it. We are going to bring this information here. Okay, I'm going to change this one to put an Arial, then we put Arial bold. We are going to have that one, that information there. Okay, then this side here, this side, I'm gonna bring one of my rectangle tool. I'm gonna design here, then I'm gonna paint in white, then I'm gonna remove the contour. That's fine. Then I'll copy this one to this side here. This one. Okay, I just want it like that. Then I'm going to put their numbers. Their numbers. I will zoom here. Their numbers is gonna fit here in this place. Okay, now their numbers is a 041 567 6789. Then we have a 041 456 7892. Okay, then we are gonna bring down this way. We are gonna paint that color. Okay, I'm gonna put here an impact that can be more visible because the number are very important. Very, very important. Then this log here, we are gonna bring it here. That's on control page up. I'm gonna have that UNISA up here. Then I'm gonna zoom out. I'm gonna put here. I'll just bring a light a little bit like that. Okay. Then I'm going to bring this picture. I'm gonna say to fit. Then I'm going to show you how far is our design. Wonderful, wonderful. I believe you are enjoying the tutorial of today. Then here we are going to write, we are going to say UNISA, UNISA. Okay, UNISA, we are going to centralize this thing here. I'm going to put it like that. Then we are going to change to put, I'm going to change the font here. Okay, then I'm going to bring here. I'll bring there. Then let him say white. Now on that white color, I'm gonna go to my transparent, then I'm gonna say add. Let me just go to my screen. Screen. I want you to see something here that can make us to yeah, that one is gonna be like this. Not too much visible, but that way, UNISA. Then I'm gonna shift a little bit to this one here so that I can put another information this side. Then I'm going to say here, I'm gonna work from here. Okay. Then I'm going to say our courses. Our courses. Our courses. Then we are gonna put uh, that way. We're going to put here in impact our courses. Great. Now here on the courses now, I'm going to just put 4 of them. I'm just put 4 of the courses that we are going to have in UNISA. I was doing this tutorial my in my Facebook page, but let me use other ones, other courses. Let me graphic design, filming, editing, makeup designer. Then I was gonna say dressing designer, dressing designer, makeup. Okay. Now these ones here, we can just put that color. Then this one, I'm gonna put Arial bold, this one here. Okay, then I'll break up artists, object, break or control K. Then I'm gonna separate them. I'll bring this one here. I'll bring this one here. I'll bring this one here. And this one here. This one here. I'm just pulling here my guiding line. Put this one is okay. This one here. I'll zoom it. Then I'll make sure that my guiding line we can put here in order to align. Okay. Right. Great. Then I'm going to fit it. Okay. Then this side, let me just go back here to fit. Then I'm gonna come to put the price. That's how you design the poster for the website, or that's how you do it. Great, great job. Just leave your luck there, leave your luck, because we are about to finalize this design. Then here I'm going to say 1,850 per year. See, that's the price of the course. Okay, we bring up here and we paint in white. Then we're just going to put impact. Okay, we centralize. We just leave like that. Okay, here I'm gonna put a rectangle. I'm gonna click my shaping tool. I'm gonna do like that. Then I'm gonna go to outline. I'll change the color. I'm gonna put my eyedropper. I say okay, okay. Then I'm gonna have that kind of pricing there. Okay, great. So that's how you do your design. Very simple design, very simple design in color draw 20, 20. See, very, very simple design. Then I can do a small changes here. Let me show you something here that we can still do. Okay, we bring this way. We say to fit. Okay, here we have the two designs. Okay, now you see here we can still change. We can still put, for an example, that color there. Okay, that's another option. Then this one also we can change. We can leave like that. Okay, then this one here we can also it will depend on what the person is look on the design. That one is gonna be a little bit uh, let me use this color here. Okay, here I'm just show you the different options that we can still use. Okay, the different options that you can still use. You can see this one here. Uh, Let me put this color inside. Let us go back to that one. Then we say control page down. Can you see that? So here you've got three pictures, different shaping, and you can choose which one that is suitable to you. Then you can use for advertise for any other way of you reaching people in a different community. That's how you do your designing. I thank you so much for watching, subscribing this channel, and keeping always active in this channel because we're going to bring more designs so that you can be always in touch with us. Okay, wonderful. Now we are going to just uh, remain with this one here. This one we take it out, and that one also we take it out. So our design is all this one. The other one that I was showing was options. It's looking very, very beautiful. God bless all of you. Until next time, bye bye.